All right, what's up, Bleudot? Today we are going to show off one of our favorite features on our Ram 2500 Power Wagon. As you know, it's a 75th anniversary edition. It's got all kinds of cool features. It's fully loaded, and we're giving it away to raise money for military veterans. Today we're going to look at the worn winch. So check this thing out. I thought this was cool. I had to at least show you. It came with a extra barrier for the synthetic rope. Be prepared. Good life advice. Okay, so we keep this in the stash on the back. Under the rear seat delete, you've got your electric gun for the worn winch. Super simple. Plug the worn winch in. It's got two buttons, out and in. Give it a press out. Loosen it up off the hook. Give it a pull and you're immediately ready to go. Check this thing out. Super heavy duty synthetic rope. Help get your buddies out of trouble. Pretty self-explanatory when it's time to go away. Super simple. Give it a push. Unplug, and there you have it. Check us out, bleudot.org, to learn more. I'll also show you, since I've got you, one place we like to stash this thing. Check this thing out. So in the rear seat delete, as you've seen in other videos, it's also got some stash pockets. We got a pocket here. It's actually got another really cool stash pocket here where we keep all the paperwork. But this one is where we've designated as our worn winch holder. Check it out. It buttons down. And just like that, you're ready to go. Bleudot.org. Do good. Thanks for the support and good luck.